Magic. Everything is magic. Everything that you don't understand with your mind. And of course, people tried to understand things since the beginning of humanity. But the truth is that even if they understand more and more, they also discover how much they don't understand and know. It's human to want to understand and know and unveil the mystery of life. Partially because of the need to feel safe, partially because of being exposed to this not knowing, to the magic, partially because people are always surprised. And this is the magic, the intersection between the pursuit of growing, the acceptance of what is, the embracing of the unknown, and the courage to live so that you allow yourself to be surprised. When you surrender and have faith in this, you are in awe and amazed all the time as you start seeing how everything is connected by this invisible thread that puts moments, people, things together in such a perfect way. Exactly what you needed and didn't know how it looked like, felt like, sounded like, wonder, awe, curiosity, magic. Curiosity, magic. It's not always easy to believe in magic. As adults, at least this is how it is for me. But I'm getting overwhelmed by everything that is going on around me. And at the same time, I always believe in magic. Each time I even look at the plants in my house growing, it's magical. So I invite you to look at your plants growing, or go to a park, go somewhere in nature. Look around you, look at the birds, look at the sky, so that you always remember that everything around you is magic. And the simple fact that you are there and this is possible is magic. Hi! Thank you for being here on this path to free love and love free. I wanted to let you know that if you want me to record a video on a specific topic, you can drop me a question in the comments down below or via email. You will find the email in the description of the videos. I see you.